If you're wondering whether Monday.com or Basecamp is the better choice for your remote team, you're in the right place. We're going to dive into the differences between these two popular project management tools and help you decide which one is best suited for your team's needs. First off, Monday.com is all about flexibility. It offers a visually rich and customizable interface that lets you manage projects in a way that works best for your team. You can use it for anything from task management to sales pipelines, but it's particularly great for teams that need to stay organized across multiple projects. It's a tool designed to work across different departments, whether you're handling marketing, development, or HR. Now, Basecamp, on the other hand, prides itself on simplicity and ease of use. It has a no-frills approach to project management, focusing on the essentials like to-dos, file sharing, and team communication. For remote teams who don't need complex features or a ton of customization, Basecamp might feel like the perfect choice. It offers everything you need without overwhelming you with too many options. Next thing, when it comes to integrations, Monday.com stands out. It seamlessly integrates with a range of popular apps like Slack, Google Drive, and Microsoft Teams, making it a great choice for teams already working within those ecosystems. Basecamp, however, has a more limited selection of integrations, which can be a deal breaker if your team relies on specialized software to get things done. The fourth thing to consider is how you collaborate. With Monday.com, you'll find a lot of tools designed for detailed communication. You can comment directly on tasks, add updates, and even use automations to keep everyone on track. Basecamp, on the other hand, keeps things more straightforward with its message boards and group chats. If you need extensive task-level communication, Monday.com may be your best bet, but if you prefer a simple, less cluttered approach, Basecamp could be a better fit. Then there's pricing. Monday.com can get a bit pricey, especially if you're on the team plan or need advanced features. It's worth the cost if you're looking for a fully featured platform, but if you're on a budget, Basecamp offers a flat rate that's much more affordable, especially for small teams or startups. Another important factor is user-friendliness. Basecamp's interface is simple and intuitive, which can be a big draw for teams who want to jump right in without a steep learning curve. Monday.com, however, has a bit of a steeper learning curve due to the complexity of its features and customizability. So, if you're looking for something that doesn't take too long to set up, Basecamp might be your go-to. Both Monday.com and Basecamp do a good job of streamlining workflows, but their approaches differ. Monday.com is great for teams that need extensive customization and integrations, while Basecamp works better for smaller teams who just need the basics to get work done. In conclusion, both Monday.com and Basecamp are excellent choices depending on what you're looking for, but after trying both, I'd say that if your goal is to find a truly versatile platform that scales as your team grows and integrates with everything, you may want to look into a better alternative. And if you're interested in trying out the best solution, you can take advantage of the free trial by clicking the first link in the description. Through our link, you'll get the best free trial and exclusive benefits that are only available to our viewers.